Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to access another computer using Chrome Remote Desktop. This is a really useful tool that lets you remotely control another computer from anywhere using the internet. You can use it to access your work computer from home, help a friend fix a problem remotely, or open files and programs on another device without physically being there. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to connect to another computer using Chrome Remote Desktop step by step. So let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on both computers, the computer you want to access and the computer you'll use to connect. Now go to chrome-remote-desktop.google.com. There are two main ways to connect using Chrome Remote Desktop: remote support and unattended access. For this tutorial, we'll focus on accessing another computer remotely. On the computer you want to access, sign in with your Google account. Then click on the Remote Access tab. Now click the Download button to install Chrome Remote Desktop if it's not already installed. This opens the Chrome Web Store where you can add the Chrome Remote Desktop extension to Chrome. Click Add to Chrome, then confirm by clicking Add Extension. After installation, go back to the Chrome Remote Desktop page and click Accept and Install. A setup file will download. Open it and complete the installation process. Once that's done, you'll be asked to name the computer. Choose any name you want, like Office PC or Gaming Laptop. Then click Next. Now create a secure PIN with at least 6 digits. This PIN will be required whenever someone connects to this computer remotely. Type the PIN again to confirm and click Start. That computer is now ready for remote access. Now move to the second computer, the one you'll use to connect remotely. Open Chrome and go to Chrome Remote Desktop using the same Google account. Under the Remote Devices section, you'll see the computer you just set up. Click on the computer name. Now enter the PIN you created earlier and click Connect. After a few seconds, the remote computer screen will appear and you'll be able to fully control it from your current device. You can move the mouse, open applications, transfer work, check files, or even troubleshoot problems remotely. Chrome Remote Desktop also supports full screen mode, clipboard syncing, and keyboard shortcuts, making the remote experience smooth and easy to use. You can even access computers from your phone. Simply install the Chrome Remote Desktop Android app or the Chrome Remote Desktop iPhone app, sign into your Google account, and connect to your remote devices directly from your mobile device. Here are a few important tips. Make sure the remote computer stays powered on and connected to the internet. If it's turned off or asleep, you won't be able to connect. Also, never share your PIN or Google account credentials with people you don't trust. For extra protection, enable two-factor authentication on your Google account. Another useful feature is remote support mode. Instead of permanent unattended access, you can generate one-time access codes to temporarily help another person with their computer. And that's basically it. You just learned how to access another computer using Chrome Remote Desktop quickly and securely. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.